Walk outside almost anywhere on Earth and you'll see the same strange scene. A cow stands in a field, slowly chewing grass. Nearby, a horse does exactly the same thing. Goats eat it, sheep eat it, deer survive on it. Even giant elephants spend most of their day pulling grass from the ground. It's everywhere. In fact, grass covers nearly a third of Earth's land surface. It's one of the most abundant sources of plant life on the planet, which raises a very strange question. If there's so much of it, why don't humans eat it? Imagine never needing a supermarket again. Your backyard could become an endless buffet. No farming, no grocery bills, no running out of food. Just step outside, pick a handful of grass, and eat. But if you actually tried that, something disappointing would happen. You could chew it. You could swallow it. Your stomach would fill up, yet your body would get almost nothing useful from it. In fact, eating too much grass would probably leave you with stomach pain instead of a full meal. That's strange. After all, grass is a plant. Humans eat plants all the time. We eat lettuce, spinach, cabbage, rice, wheat, corn. So what makes grass different? Is it poisonous? Is it lacking nutrients? Or is there something hidden inside every blade that your body simply can't unlock? The answer isn't hiding in the grass itself, it's hiding inside your digestive system. Because the real difference between you and a cow isn't your teeth, it isn't your stomach, and it isn't even your size. It's something so small you can't see it. Tiny living organisms that have quietly determined what every animal on Earth is capable of eating. Once you understand what they're doing inside a cow, you'll realize that an entire field of grass is, for humans, almost like a locked refrigerator full of food, with no key. At first glance, grass doesn't look very different from the vegetables sitting in your refrigerator. It's green. It's made by plants. It grows using sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. So why can a cow build hundreds of kilograms of muscle from it, while humans can't even digest it properly? The answer begins with one incredibly tough material: cellulose. Cellulose is the substance that gives plants their strength. It's what allows blades of grass to stand upright after being stepped on. It's what keeps trees standing for hundreds of years. Without cellulose, most plants would simply collapse. The strange part is that cellulose is actually made from sugar, not a different chemical. Just glucose, the exact same basic sugar your body uses every second to power your brain and muscles. Imagine building a house out of thousands of Lego bricks. Now imagine someone gluing every brick together with an incredibly powerful adhesive. The bricks are still valuable, but you can't separate them anymore. That's exactly what cellulose is like. Grass is full of energy, but it's locked away inside an incredibly tough structure. Humans have plenty of digestive enzymes that break down fats. Others break down proteins. Others easily digest starch found in foods like rice, potatoes, and bread. But there's one enzyme we simply don't have: cellulase. Without cellulase, those tough cellulose walls stay almost completely intact as they travel through your digestive system. Your stomach can squeeze them, your intestines can move them, but they can't unlock the energy trapped inside. So even though you're swallowing food, your body is leaving most of the calories behind. Grass isn't empty. It's just locked. And humans were never given the key. So if humans can't unlock the energy inside grass, how can cows? The answer isn't that cows are stronger. It isn't that they chew better. And it isn't because grass is somehow different for them. The real secret is that cows don't digest grass alone. They're running an entire microscopic ecosystem inside their bodies. A cow's stomach isn't one simple bag like yours. It has 4 separate chambers. The largest of these is called the rumen. Think of it less like a stomach and more like a giant biological fermentation tank. Inside the rumen live billions upon billions of bacteria, fungi, and other microscopic organisms. Unlike humans, these microbes produce cellulose, the very enzyme we completely lack. When a cow swallows grass, it doesn't digest it immediately. Instead, it delivers the grass to these tiny workers. The microbes slowly break apart the cellulose that locked away all the plant's energy. As they digest the grass, they create small molecules called volatile fatty acids. Those molecules become the cow's main source of energy. In other words, the cow isn't really living on grass. It's living on what its microbes make from grass. That's why cows spend so much time chewing. After swallowing the grass once, they bring it back up into their mouths and chew it again. This process, called rumination, breaks the grass into smaller and smaller pieces, giving the microbes even more surface area to work on. It's an incredibly efficient partnership. The cow provides food and a warm place for the microbes to live. The microbes unlock energy that the cow could never reach on its own. Without them, a cow would be almost as helpless in a field of grass as you are. If cows solved the grass problem millions of years ago, why didn't humans? The answer goes back to evolution. Evolution doesn't build the perfect body. It builds a body that's good enough to survive. Our ancestors didn't spend their lives standing in open fields eating grass all day. They were hunters, gatherers. They searched for fruit hanging from trees, dug up roots hidden underground, collected nuts and seeds, caught fish, hunted animals. Whenever they found food that was rich in calories, they ate it. That strategy changed everything, because calorie-rich foods require far less digestion than grass. A cow may spend 8 hours or more every day eating and chewing. Its enormous digestive system is constantly working. Its rumen alone can hold over 100 liters of partially digested food. Humans went in the opposite direction. Instead of evolving huge fermentation chambers, our bodies evolved larger brains. And larger brains are incredibly expensive. Although your brain makes up only about 2% of your body weight, it uses around 20% of your daily energy. That energy has to come from food your body can digest quickly. Grass simply couldn't provide it. Over millions of years, our digestive system became shorter, faster, and better at extracting nutrients from meat, fruit, cooked roots, and eventually cooked grains. We traded the ability to digest grass for the ability to support one of the most powerful brains on Earth. In other words, the question isn't why humans can't eat grass. It's why evolution never needed us to.